Today I'm going to go over a very quick example of ABG interpretation. The first thing that you need to know is your lab values. You need to know what are the normal ranges, and these are your normals. pH is 7.35 to 7.45. For bicarb, it's 22 to 26. As carbon dioxide is acidic. The other thing that you need to know is Rome. When it's a respiratory abnormality, the lab values are going to be going in opposite directions. When it's a metabolic abnormality, then the arrows will be pointing in the same direction. So let's try a problem. So there's a pH of 7.31. Partial pressure of carbon dioxide is 41. And bicarb, so we have a pH of 7.31. Carbon dioxide is 41. And bicarb is 18. Normal is 7.35. It's down in range. That means it's going to be something acidosis. So we're just going to blank acidosis, right? Now, the next thing that we're going to do is draw a down arrow because this is because the pH is down. So we draw a down arrow. Next, we look at the carbon dioxide. I just wrote this because the problem they gave us was in this order, but it doesn't matter which order you write it. So the carbon dioxide normal is 35 to 45. Is that within range? Yes, it is. So I'm not going to do anything with that. Now let's look at the bicarb. Normal range is 22 to 26, and the bicarb is at 18, so it's also down. So based on Rome, we know that if the arrows are both pointing in the same direction, it's going to be metabolic. So this is metabolic acidosis.